Hi, it's Jennifer Young with Jennifer Young Homes. Hope you're doing well. I wanted to take a minute and talk about estate sales. My team and I just sold 3 estate sales, and we have 5 or 6 in the works right now, and I wanted to tell you a couple of quick pointers. Whether you're in the DC, Maryland, or Virginia area, or somewhere across the country, the number one thing, if you are involved in a estate sale or you just got a house maybe passed along to you, is do you have the paperwork correct per the court? We are not lawyers, but we work with great lawyers who can help you with this. And the number one question we ask is, are you the representative who legally can even make decisions on this property? If the person died without a will, there's a certain court process, probate it's called, you have to go through. And if they died with a will, we just need our title attorney to make sure that you have signing rights for the estate. So first step is to figure out the logistics. Get with a local professional, a lawyer, estate sale lawyer in your situation, and make sure everything is buttoned up. And we have great people to recommend who can take care of you there. Number 2 is analyze the property and figure out the game plan. We just sold 2 estate sales in Fairfax, have 1 under contract. We're working on another one in Centerville, Virginia, 1 coming soon in Fort Washington, and all of them are a variety of stages. Some of them we're selling as is and just doing a deep sales clean. Some of them we're doing a full remodel, and some of them just a partial remodel. All of the clients doing work too are paying at closing because the money is tied up in the house, so they're getting some work done and then they're deferring payment at closing, which we can help you with as well. But then you determine, what am I going to do with this home? Sell it as is or sell it repaired? We can help you determine that and give you the numbers to make the best decision. And then the most common next step is, what do I do with all this stuff? And we can certainly help you there as well. We have trusted estate sale people throughout the DMV. Estate sales typically take a percentage of the total sale, but we also work with companies that just charge a flat fee to inventory do the sale, and then the owner gets the rest. But working with a local, reputable, honest estate sale company is important. We also have wonderful local contractors like junk lovers and estate contractors that can help just clear out the house. Sometimes the items are not worth an estate sale. They're not very valuable, but we still need to get them out of the house and get them donated, and we can help with that as well. And then we get to work with whatever we do. If we're doing work, we do usually the estate sale, we do the clear out, we get the work done, and then we're cleaning it and going on the market. Again, sometimes it's sold as is, and we're simply doing a clean and listing it as a sweat equity deal. But whatever the situation is, getting real, honest information that is required for the law in that jurisdiction is so important, and then taking the steps to analyze the property and figure out the best return on investment for you. Lastly, many of our clients, they live across the country or across the world doing an estate sale, and we are their eyes and ears in the field. So I also wanted to mention what's different about our team is we don't just help you get the best price and make sure the property is preserved. We check on the property like it's our own. We check on the vacant properties to make sure heat is on and it's secure and preserved and there's no pipes bursting. So you know, whether you're living down the street or across the world, that your estate property is handled well and it's going to be maintained throughout the whole process. So if you have any questions on how to maximize the return on your estate sale or simply get rid of it with no stress, let us know. We'll give you honest, direct answers so you can make a decision, and we're always here if you need us. So reach out if you want to talk estate sales or anything real estate at jenniferyounghomes.com or message us. Thanks so much.